Hello everyone, welcome to Samasto YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn MS Excel another tutorial. All tools of the home ribbon menu taught in the previous tutorial. Let's start today with the insert ribbon menu and see what tools are here. Go to another sheet. Click insert. Go to pivot table option. Select a table or range. Here I selecting previous product table data. OK. Now pivot table is showing blank. Choose this field and see. It is very useful option. Click blank cell. Go to pivot chart option. Select product table data. OK. Select this field and see. Go to another sheet. Click insert, table. Select a table range. OK. Now type table field and record as your choice, and see. Here you can sort and filter the data. Let's see how to insert a picture in the sheet. Simply click Insert Picture option, select a picture. Resize it as your choice. Hold Alt key and resize. It helps to place pictures toward the cell border. You can also insert clip art here, search picture. Then click the picture and placed in the sheet. Here so many shapes are available to insert. I select this, and drew it. Choose Format, and type the text as your choice. Now it looks like a button. Go to Smart Art option. Here are many types of smart art. Choose one. OK. Type text and see. It looked like tree structure. Now insert a screenshot. It's very easy. Click the screen clipping option and capture the screen. Bingo, screenshot has come. Just place the image where you want. Viewers, today's video learned a lot of new things. If you like the video, then you must subscribe the channel, and give your opinion in the comment box. Click on the like button, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon for more update. See you in the next tutorial.